Hello, my name is Vojtěch Konečný and I work at Jablotron Alarms in the Export Academy department. I would like to introduce you two new display boards of Jablotron 100 Plus system. The larger board is dedicated for presentations and trainings. The bundle of 5 smaller boards is intended for small group workshops. The workshop display board is 60 cm wide and 45 cm tall. The JA107KRY control panel is already built in and has a backlight. This backlight is also used as a PG output indicator. You can find 15 connecting points on the board and 4 slots for the PG output. The keyboard is placed separately. The transport box includes 5 workshop display boards, all devices and accessories. There is also extra space for the display board holders and the keyboard holders. Connect the bus devices to the bus tails and fit all the devices with piece of dual lock tape. To plug in the SIM card, you need to unscrew the plastic PCB cover. Don't forget to put the cover back again. To put the display board on the table, you can use a standing holder or a screw holder. Fix the keyboard onto its holder with some dual lock and place it next to the display board. Then you can plug the power connector, USB cable and Ethernet cable into the joint access point and the back of the display board. Now you can enroll and position all the devices. The training display board is 90 cm wide and 110 cm tall. There are 20 connecting points on the bus that you can use to connect various devices. There is special place for the JA107KRY control panel and a double power socket for powering the control panel and the JA152A wireless internal siren. At the top right corner is a place designated for an external siren. We recommend placing the keyboard on the right bottom corner with a card and RFID tag next to it. The training display board is delivered with a wide range of accessories. As with the workshop display board, you must start with connecting the bus devices to the bus tails and fitting them with dual lock tape. Place the control panel on the board and connect it to the bus. Put in the rechargeable battery. Plug the control panel into the socket and close the front cover. Use the connector on the back of the display board as a power supply. Put the IP camera on the top of the frame. We recommend you to stick the camera QR code onto an easily accessible place. The display board is now ready for training. Both display panels can be ordered via the Jablotron eShop in the promotional materials section. We have limited amount of display boards in stock for immediate delivery. If you plan to order large number of display boards, please contact your area sales manager or country sales manager in advance. To expand the display board with more samples, you can order bus tails as a separate item at our shop. Use them to connect any Jablotron 100 Plus device. All control panels are delivered with English language version. If you need any other language, please contact me and I will provide you with codes for more languages.